welcome back to Vlogmas. Today's video is going to be an evening in the life vlog. We are at Starbucks right now. I ordered it already and Ryan is going in to pick it up. Then we're headed over to TJ Maxx. I haven't been to TJ Maxx in a while and I know they have a lot of good Christmas stuff, gift ideas, gift sets, stuff like that. So we're just gonna go look at TJ Maxx. I don't necessarily even need anything. Just wanted to do it for the vibe, you know? And then I also need to edit tomorrow's Vlogmas video. I do have some content to draft for Instagram and TikTok. Also, probably some self-care.
Scarves and sweaters bundled up in cotton, knowing names that wouldn't be forgotten, laughing over our own sense of humor underneath the Christmas lights that glow. I'm glad I got to know you better. We've come so far since that December. Who would have known I would have made my best friend on that night under 1,000 Christmas lights. Another year went by so quickly, it's Christmas time.
We just checked out at TJ Maxx. If you guys saw, I found a little Zara like bodysuit and I thought it was perfect for my birthday photo shoot that I have going on next week. One of my best friends, Corinne, and I are 5 days apart with our birthdays, and I texted her the other day and I was like, birthday photo shoot, question mark? Try to find like props, look at balloons, we'll make cakes, things like that. This hot pink bodysuit is like perfect for the vibe I want to go for. Turning 25, so it's a big deal. We are gonna stop at Sam's Club because we always get this 10-pound frozen bag of chicken wings because I love chicken wings and it's something I can eat on my diet.
Under 1,000 Christmas lights, lights.
My wings are out of the air fryer, so I'm just gonna show you what I'm gonna do to make them really good. Onion powder, love onion powder. This salt, pepper, and garlic blend, so I'm gonna put a little bit on there. Then I love Frank's hot sauce. Sometimes I'll heat up some butter and mix it and just do a mild sauce, but right now I'm gonna do hot and honey. Drizzle some honey on there. That's what it looks like. I'm just gonna toss it around with my tongs. I might throw this in the microwave for like 30 seconds just to get everything nice and hot for me. Once I'm done eating, I'm gonna get back to editing and then I'll probably catch up with you guys. Ryan is doing the dishes like a good boy. Thank you, Ryan. I wanted to show you up close what I got from TJ Maxx. Just one thing though. I got some other stuff, but it's kind of irrelevant. I got this really gorgeous hot pink bodysuit. And guess where it's from? You already know this, but Zara was only $8. It was just filling in my calendar. This is her. This is my calendar. She's a little messy. I have like 1,000,001 planners because I cannot get enough of them. I love organization, time management. I just love all of that stuff. Next Tuesday is when Corinne and I are gonna do our birthday shoot. I was actually planning an entire Pinterest board. Here's my Pinterest, by the way. You should go follow my Pinterest. I'm constantly pinning things on there so you can see what I pin and you can also see what I post to Pinterest, which I've been lacking on. I really need to get back to posting on Pinterest because I was actually generating some great analytics on there. But I figured this little bodysuit with like either a really cute pair of jeans or these black leather pants that I have, so cute and such a vibe for my birthday. I might do like maybe 2 birthday looks. I feel like it will be iconic. I don't know. I feel like my friend and I will probably do some photos together and then I'll probably do some solo ones. So stay tuned, it's all coming to Vlogmas. Speaking of plans, I wanted to sit here and kind of walk you through my upcoming weeks because December is always like the busiest time of the year for me. Obviously, I feel like everyone kind of agrees with me on that. I'm gonna sit here and do some actual like writing down planning and I'll probably show you how that looks for me. We are looking at tomorrow. Tomorrow's Wednesday the 6th. I'm supposed to hang out with my friend Jess tomorrow. We are going thrifting. Thursday, I do have a little pre-interview like info call with a company. If you didn't know, I'm currently graduated as of literally last week. I have my bachelor's degree in digital marketing, so I am starting the process of applying to jobs. It's really overwhelming. Friday, I am going ice skating with my friend Kim, and Ryan will be coming as well. That'll be really fun, great content. I'll bring you guys along on the vlog. Saturday morning, going thrifting with Corinne. Sunday, I'm hanging out with Jess again. We are going to try to take pictures at Blue Mountain Ski Resort. Do make fake snow because it hasn't snowed here yet. Thank God, I hate the snow, but for photos, it looks so cute. On Monday the 11th, Ryan took off of work because I do have a very important doctor appointment. Tuesday, Corinne and I are having our birthday photo shoot. Wednesday the 13th, I'm going to my friend Tenley's school with her. We did this once for her assignment, but they have a whole podcasting like setup and room and everything, so we are renting out the room for 2 hours, and I think we're gonna attempt to film 2 to 3 podcasts for my YouTube channel. So it'll be different Vlogmas days, and I know one of them is going to be a Q&A, and then the other 2 are a secret right now. 14th, I don't have anything planned as of right now, but that is my friend Corinne's birthday. Other than that, the only other big things going on the rest of December, 17th, which is a Sunday, we are going to New York City, going with my friend Tenley, her boyfriend Will, and then Ryan. It'll be so much fun. I've only gone to the city a handful of times. Really excited to go. I'm gonna get really great content there. The Christmas vibes are gonna be like top notch. I'm very excited for that. 2 days later is my birthday, so I will be turning 25, and Ryan and I have tickets to go to Kalahari, which is an indoor water park. I don't know if we're gonna use it on my birthday or not. I have to wait and see kind of what's going on. Wednesday of that week, so the day after my birthday, is a really exciting day because Ryan's brother Cody and his wife Casey are coming home. They live in Los Angeles and we don't see them that often, so it's really fun when they do come home. Also, my best friend who is out in Wisconsin for school right now is coming home that day as well, and I believe she'll be home for like a good 10 days. So I'm very excited to see her. Obviously, Christmas is the 25th. The 29th, I'm having a little graduation party because parents really wanted to like throw me a party, celebrate the fact that I made it through regardless of all of this stuff that I've been through. So that is on a Friday night, and I'm very excited for that. So many great things coming up, but that is literally my like overall look at the rest of December, which is literally crazy. That being said, I'm gonna sit here. I'm going to write everything I can out, figure out what I need to do. I just ran a time lapse so you guys could like see everything just sped up because it took me a little bit. Just now I wrote out like everything I did today, crossed off the things I did. I still have a few things I need to do. I do have tomorrow's day kind of laid out for myself. And then I used this little planner, basically just days of the week. So if you could see like Monday through the weekend, I wrote the days December 4th to December 10th. And then I wrote everything in red is like the main focus of the day. Then with this little one, this is also like a weekly planner that I could literally just rip off when I'm done. Just highlighted anything for the days that are like the main focuses. And I do have the meal planner sort of filled out.
Here on Christmas Day, where